So this is a US oil, or otherwise known as WTI analysis for Monday the 9th of October. So what have we seen here? Let's go out to the high time frames, because we have pulled back quite a bit. I was expecting a break to the upside and a possible test of the $60 mark, but nope, doesn't appear to be at the moment. So what have we seen? Prices now doesn't appear to be going out to test the high of this range, up at $55 a barrel. We seem to be going back down into this consolidative range, especially on this monthly time frame. So if we go out to the weekly and let's see where we are, as we are closing beneath. This range is more prominent, can clearly be seen here, in and around the 1240s and pretty much 1255. So we're currently in that range. We did put in a bearish candle for last week, and if we were to continue to get continuation, we did close near the lows. So if we were to get continuation, it would be to the short side. So let's just see where our most important pivot is for this week, and it is at 49.25. So if we go down to the daily chart, let's just see if there's anything of interest here. Well, we've had our lows here, higher low, and we have pulled back a bit, so we could potentially put in a higher low here, as we are at the 250 period. So we've got a 200 period moving average, and we've got a 50 period moving average just beneath it. We've had this strong sell-off candle here, which I suppose it could be interpreted as a blow-off candle, so we could see some further retracement or a reversal from here. Now let's just go down to the execution time frame and put on the weekly pivot at 49.25. so if I go and let's just put it on the chart, it's a very minor level anyway, 49.25. Let's just get the coordinates correct. 49.25. Okay, so in light of the previous month, you would say we are still facing some short momentum. If we do get consolidation, if we do get continuation from the previous month, where are we now? Well, we've seen quite a big sell-off on Friday. Now, if we do stay above 49.25, we do appear to be heading towards that 49.60 for a test. If we test and hold above 49.60 and move up to 50.40 would be my next possible target. Now the markets do appear bearish at the moment, so a test of 49.60, we weren't able to hold 49.60. I would expect a continuation downwards towards 48.80. beneath which, as we know, oil can be very volatile and it can cover a large distance over a short period of time. So we have to look at many levels beneath. So if we go down to 48.80 and it's not slow and we do not have consolidation, it's a quick, strong momentum through that level, we're looking at 47.72, underneath which 46.44 should come into focus. I'd expect prices to move currently from where they are at 49 all the way down to 46.44. Even though we do see $3 moves in oil, I don't think we're going to get that tomorrow. If we did get it, then obviously we must look at all levels. But 43.68 would possibly be the next level that will come into focus if we're not able to hold 46.44. Now to the upside, I expect upside to be limited, and I expect the move upwards to be slow. So 50.40, then we're going to have this moving average here. That's about 50.90. Then ultimately we've got 52.22, 53.54, and 55. So those are the levels I'm looking at overall. Overall on this market, it's a difficult one to grab a hold of. So if I was to have a look at this weekly, let's have a look at this weekly. Yeah, I'm just going to use the pivot I've put on there at 49.25, over which I'll be looking for longs, underneath which I'll be looking for shorts. So my overall view on the oil market is slightly bearish, not overly, especially as we are in this kind of uptrend, but I am slightly bearish in the short to medium term, especially if we can't hold for 925. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.